Hey guys, it's your girl Monique Lynette. I'm back at you with another video for this week. I wanted to do something different and show you how to take a natural black wig and make it a honey blonde in just one setting right from home. So if you want to learn how I did this, keep watching. Okay guys, so I started off with a Dark and Lovely number 379 fade resistant honey blonde. I laid a trash bag on my counter, got the full lace wig out. It is a 12-inch deep wave from my Shop Mo Lavish full lace collection. I sprinkled the dye on. I'm going to show you how that goes. I left the dye on for 1 hour. The box said 30 minutes, but I actually left it on for an hour. You'll see where I put foil over it. I'm not sure why I put foil. I just see people using foil when they do the dye, and it did come out a little lighter than I wanted, but it definitely turned out good. So I will let you guys watch the rest. Here I was showing the camera where I got this idea from. It was another YouTuber. Her name is Ashley Bedeck. I will leave the link down below, but I knew to go ahead and show the camera or I will forget where I got this idea from. So check her out as well. This video was inspired by her. And to apply the dye, I basically just use the dye brush and squeeze the liquid all over the hair. I started from the back and the bottom first, and then I flipped the wig over and I went to the front. And I basically, as you can see, squirted it onto the hair and then worked it in with the dye brush to make sure I didn't have any spots that was missing that did not receive dye. Here is very important. You want to open up the hair because you're putting the dye on the outside, but it may not get on the inside. So you'll have different like colors and different blends of your hair, of the dye. So you just want to make sure you get inside as well. Take your time with that process. I didn't put anything on the lace because I wasn't worried about the lace getting toned because I was going to bleach it afterwards. And here I have used the 2 boxes. I'm enjoying my music. You see me dancing. And I'm just going through with the dye brush just to work it in to make sure everything is in. Like if you were doing a perm or relaxer, you want to make sure all the products get onto the hair. Okay, so it's now been 1 hour. I removed the foil and voila, it turned out just the way I wanted and I was so happy. So I just went ahead and picked it up, took it to the sink and proceeded to start washing out the dye with warm water. First, just ran warm water and let the dye run out, and then I just used the 2 conditioners that came with the box, and I believe I left that on for 30 minutes and rinsed it out, and then I bleached my knots and styled the hair. Once it was done deep conditioning, I did bleach the knots, wash it out, and here is the final look for the hair. This is a Tiffany wig, full lace. She has been dyed, honey. This is 12 inches. I bleached the knots. First time bleaching. Okay, her little baby hair up front, honey. And you see the vibes. Nothing but quality. Shop more lavish.